On this episode of Eat Sleep Drive, we're making my exhaust sound amazing for free. Oh, dude. Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Kurt and you're watching Eat Sleep Drive. On a previous episode of the channel, you guys saw me purchase this 2010 Lexus ISF. I absolutely sung this car's praises. I really love and adore this car, but there was one thing that I thought could be better with it. And that's the exhaust. You see, this thing makes amazing intake and induction noises. Ooh! But the exhaust is not loud enough, and we need to let that 5-liter V8 sing. In the next couple episodes of this project, I'm gonna do this much more properly. I'm gonna get a full exhaust on this thing. I'm gonna put headers on it. It's gonna sound absolutely amazing. So definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that stuff. But on today's episode, we're gonna do something a little more cheeky and fun. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you see these quad tips right here? 2 on the left, 2 on the right, obviously. These look pretty awesome in my opinion. In fact, some people commented on them in the last video and said that they thought they looked pretty cool. The interesting part about these quad tips is that they're not functional. Can you see back there? The exhaust doesn't actually connect to those tips. So those tips are 100% for aesthetics only. With those being fake, I thought, well, what if I just took off the rear section of the exhaust? Since it doesn't actually exit here, I can still have these tips back here, but take off the exhaust at a different point. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. You see that 2-bolt flange on the left, the bottom left of the screen? That connects to these 2 rear mufflers. And my plan is to just remove those 2 bolts and this rear section of the exhaust and see what this thing sounds like. Now, I'm gonna give you guys some before and after sound clips. So let's hear first what this thing sounds like stock, and then we're gonna take it to the garage and yank these mufflers off. Keep in mind, I'm a professional idiot. I would not recommend doing this mod, especially long term. I'm doing this for fun since I'll be putting a full exhaust on soon. So you can see how clean this car is underneath, which is part of the reason that I bought it. It was actually from, I believe, Florida or somewhere in the south, and absolutely rust-free, which is great. Sometimes when you have to deal with fasteners, especially on exhausts, they're all rusty, but fortunately, these are not. And these are just 14mm fasteners. There's a captive nut on the back, and it should come out pretty easy. That's 1. That's 2. So a useful tip if you're ever trying to get exhaust hangers off, these are rubber and it's good to lubricate them with WD-40 or some sort of silicone spray. So I'm just gonna lube these up and it should make it a lot easier. Keyword being should. Alright, we got the other hanger out. Now we're just gonna drop this down so we can hopefully get better access to these hangers in the back. off that hanger. And, well, we're also reducing a lot of weight. I can tell you for sure that these mufflers are not light. Kind of an interesting design. Look at this right here. Just like flattens out and gets real wide. You guys ready for the first start? Let's see what it sounds like. Definitely deeper. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. All right, we're gonna button this up and then take it for a ride and see what it sounds like before and after. All right guys, here we go. This exhaust already sounds significantly deeper than it did before we yanked the exhaust off. I can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like at full song. Ooh, it's very deep. It's hot as balls, but I'm doing windows down because I'm so anxious to hear this thing. Oh my God. Oh, those downshifts. That sounds amazing. So much more of a deeper tone. Let's do it. Woo! Dang. I don't know if it's just like the butt dyno or what, but it kind of feels faster too. I'm sure it's just like all noise or whatever. Gosh. Oh, this thing is good now. Oh, those downshifts. Oh. Yes. Oh, it sounds so good. Cheap mod, free 99. God, this is how this car should have sounded stock. So much better. Oh, dude. Yes. Yes, it sounds so good. There's definitely some drone at highway speeds. I'm at 2,000 RPMs at about 80 miles an hour, and there's definitely some drone, which I'm not at all surprised about. This, of course, as I mentioned, is not a permanent mod. I would not suggest doing this permanently. Where we took out the exhaust, there's an exhaust hanger right there, and the piece that we took out is the part that holds the exhaust hanger. So the rear section of the exhaust right now isn't exactly being held up perfectly, so it's not ideal. I wouldn't recommend doing this in the long term. Obviously, just for fun, it sounds incredible, but I wanted to give you guys just a little little taste of what this thing is going to sound like with a proper exhaust. And when we put headers on this thing, man, it's going to wake this car up like crazy. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss that. Eat Sleep Drive TV on Instagram if you want to follow me and see what I'm up to in between episodes. Otherwise, I really appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go up a couple gears. Sounds so good.